Dinosaur Hill.
because they dug a big dinosaur out over here.
Wow, Dinosaur Hill. Beautiful.
Is your dog all right? Yeah, my dog too. Here she stopped. Sorry.
Okay. She's Roxy. Come on.
Sorry. I got another old one coming up.
It's okay. Okay, Dinosaur Hill. So beautiful. I found a big dinosaur up here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. I love all the rocks.
Big scary.
Wow. Look at all the dogs. Oh, it's okay.
We're gonna go this way. Hello.
Oh. Uh-oh.
You tangled up.
Making new friend. Let's go. Both of your dogs are male or they're
No,
female?
they're both female.
Oh, okay. They have puppy before?
Nope.
No?
I would get them fixed.
Yeah.
I love puppies, but it's too hard to
So
take care of them.
Victoria have a dog. She rescued cat and dog for about a year.
Here's the river.
Okay. Wow, beautiful.
Can't see the island.
So you say how old are you?
What's that?
How old are you?
63.
63. You look 63. Yeah. So what was your secret? You eat healthy, you don't eat fast food, right? What's your favorite food to eat?
Frijolitos.
Huh?
Frijoles.
What's that? Beans. Okay.
Beans.
What kind of beans?
I can make beans 1,000 ways.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I cook a lot.
Okay, that's good. You see.
I always take care of myself, so.
Yeah. So are you able to come to Rolls Royce annual meet this year?
So what is it?
The Rolls Royce annual meet.
Where is it at?
It's in Tennessee, Nashville.
I've never been that far east. I went once to
It'd be great if you
Pensacola,
could
Florida.
come. Yeah, if your schedule's open, come. I think I met you.
Yeah, my schedule's pretty open. So
Because you meet nice people and you have fun.
because I'm a
And I
self-contractor, I work as much as I want.
okay. So what do? You say you do security camera? Or?
So I do low voltage, all low voltage. Cameras, internet, network. I fix all the things at Walmart,
Oh wow.
Targets. I put the cash registers in PetSmart a couple weeks ago. Last spring I did all the wiring for a Taco Bell.
So you install security camera?
When I first started doing security cameras. Now I fix everything.
Oh, cool. This is a beautiful hike.
When we get up the top of the hill, I'm gonna take a break for 1 second.
Okay. So beautiful.
She's there.
I know. Wow, so cute. She's very cute. So you had them how long? Both of your dogs?
So
This one.
I had her for about 17 years,
Oh wow.
and I had her for about 8 years now.
8 years. Okay.
And I had the one before for 22 years.
Wow. So you have any kids?
No.
No kids. Wow, look at that.
I didn't get married till I was old. I got married the first time when I was 58.
Yeah. So what happened? Didn't work out?
She's nuts, man.
Oh,
She's
bipolar?
Yep.
Yeah.
Scary. married for like 10 years.
10 years, wow. Yeah. Did she take some kind of weird drug or something?
One time she smoked pot.
Uh-huh.
That's only one time. She didn't smoke.
Oh.
She never could smoke. One time she ate a cookie I had in my mouth. I smoked.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
I used to smoke cigarettes too. Excuse me. Maybe that's what it is. Hey, so I'm talking down there.
Yeah.
It's good to come right now because I can see how much is covered by water in the blood.
So is it listed with an agent or no?
What's that?
Is it listed with an agent now?
No.
Okay, so it's a
No, it's a gift for me from the cosmos.
Okay. So how do we go about getting it? What do we need to
So
do?
I know I talked to the guy.
Uh-huh.
So just give him the money, get it quick clean.
Okay.
That easy.